Good morning children. Today we are going to learn second class EVS first lesson. So in the previous class already we have learned about the lesson. So today we are going to do our textbook exercise part. All of you open your textbooks. Page number 164. The page number 164 we have tick the correct answer. The first Roman A. Tick the correct answer. It is there, ma. So we will do. All of you take your pencils and you can do in your textbooks. So they have given here the three options you have to do in the correct answer. You have to give the tick mark for that. The first one, we can see the which part of our body we can see. The body part which we can see. So they have given the three options there. The first one is head, second one is lungs, and the third one is brain. So say children, which part you can see? The head, the lungs or the brain? Yes, the correct answer is head. The head only we can see. The second one is lungs. The lungs are inside in our chest. That is inside in our body, internal part. That is the internal organ. And the brain is also located in the head, the inside of our head. So we can't see the brain also. So the two parts we can't see. Which we can see the body part is head. So I can give the tick mark for that head. And the second one is this, T-H-I-S, this, P-U-M-P-S, pumps. This pumps the blood, B-L-O-D, blood. This pumps the blood to all parts, P-R-T-S, parts of our body, B-O-D-Y, body. This pumps the blood to all parts of our body. So, one organ in our body which pumps the blood to all the parts, from the brain to the tip of the toe. So, what is that organ? So, we will see the options here. The first one is E-Y-E-S, eyes, H-E-A-R-T, heart, and the third one they have given is lungs, L-U-N-G-S, lungs. So, which is the correct answer? Yes, the organ heart. This is the organ. Heart is the organ which pumps the blood to all the body parts. So, we can give the tick answer. Here we can give the tick mark. Eyes. Eyes, it is used only for to see. This is a sense organ. And the lungs are help us to breathe. So, that is also a wrong answer. So, the heart is the correct answer. The third one is, children, the third one here is the T-H-E-S. These help the bones to move. What helps the bones to move? Which part helps the bones to move? The first option they have given is skin. S-K-I-N, skin. And the second one is stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. And the third one is muscles. M-U-S-E-L-E-S, muscles. So, which helps the bones to move? Yes, the answer is muscles. Why? Because the muscles are attached to the bones. So, along with the bones, the muscles are also attached to the bones. So, bones and muscles. So, muscles make the bones to move. Because of these muscles only, our bones also they used to move. The answer is muscles. You can give the tick mark to this. Yes, up to here we have completed the tick the correct answer. So, start the second Roman, B Roman, write T for true and F for false. So, the letters must be in capital letters, capital T and capital F. So, let us start the questions. The first one is, the brain help us to think. The brain help us to think. Is it correct or wrong, ma'am? Yes, that is the right answer. So, the brain help us to think. So, the first answer already they have written in the textbook, ma'am, capital T. The first one they have written already the capital T answer. That is true. Our brain only will help us to think. And the second one is, the stomach help us to breathe. The stomach helps us to breathe. So for breathing purpose, we use our stomach. Does our stomach help us to breathe? No, this is the wrong answer. So if the wrong answer we have to write the false. The second answer is false. You can write the capital F. So that is false statement. Statement is false. So here you have the small blanks they have given already. You can fill up in them. And the third one, there are more than 600 bones in our body. So how many bones are there in our body? We have 206 bones, not 600 bones. 600, more than 600 muscles we have. Muscles are more than 600. Bones means only 206 we have. 206 bones. I mean 206 bones. So this statement is also wrong. So we can write the third one also, the false statement. This is also a false statement, a wrong statement. And the fourth one, muscles and bones help us to swim. So our bones and muscles help us to swim. So when we are doing swimming, so our bones and muscles will help us. Is it correct or wrong? Yes, that is right. So you can write the capital T, that is true. Capital T, this is true statement. This sentence is correct. True. And the fifth one is, we should sit straight and walk upright. So when we are sitting also, our body posture must be straight, and when we are walking also, our body posture must be upright. So walking and sitting, everything must be straight. Yes, this is correct statement. So you can write that true here. Yes. So these are the true or false. The first one is true. The second one is false. The third one is false. The fourth one is true. And the fifth one is also true. Yes, we have completed our second Roman. Now we will go to our exercise third one. Here we have the C. Page number 165, another exercise. Roman C. Fill in the blanks. Choose words from the box. Means already here one box is there. In this box they have already written the answers. Answers we have already. We have to read these blanks and then we have to choose the correct answer from the box and then you have to fill up in the blank. Understood, children? What I am saying? You have to read the sentence, full sentence you have to read. After that, what is the correct answer you have to choose from the box and then you have to fill in the blank. So, ready to start now. So, let us see now. The first one. Here the answers are straight, bones, skin, muscles, head. The 5 answers they have given and the 5 blanks we have. The first one is here the blank is there, protects the brain. Which part will protect our brain? The brain, where is the brain now? Yes, that is inside our head. So the brain is located in the head, inside the head. So which part of our body will protect the brain? Yes, that is our head only. So our head protects the brain. So the answer already they have written there, H-E-A-D, head. The first answer is H-E-A-D, head. So you no need to write the answer because already they have given the answer in the blank. So you can write with only, you can use the only small letters, not the capitals. All the small letters you must use. So H-E-A-D, head. The head will protect the brain. The second one, bones and dash give shape to our body. Bones and which part of our body will give proper shape to our body. So bones, along with the bones, which part is attached to the bones? Yes, that is muscles. To the bones, the muscles are attached to it. So both the bones and muscles only will help our body to move. Yes, the answer is muscles. So here we can write the second one, muscles. M-U-S-C-L-E-S, muscles. Bones and muscles will give proper shape to our body. And the third one is dash covers the bones and muscles. Okay, bones and muscles are attached to the okay. Now what covers our bones and muscles? What is the layer? What is the layer on our body which covers our bones and muscles? Yes, that is skin. Skin covers our bones and muscles. And the third answer is skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. Skin covers our bones and muscles. Now the fourth one is muscles are fixed to the. Muscles are fixed to whom it is attached. To which it is fixed. What is it? The bones are muscles are fixed to the. Yes, that is bones only. So the fourth one is bones. B-O-N-E-S, bones. So bones and muscles are attached to each other and they are covered by the skin. So these are the three. And the last one is we must sit and stand. How we must sit and we stand? So when we are sitting or standing or walking, how we have to do? How must be our position? Our position must be how it must be done. So it must be straight, not the leaning like this. So you must when you are walking also, standing also, you must sit or stand straight. So the fifth answer is straight. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight. Our position must be straight while our walking, while sitting or standing. So our position must be straight.